Assalamu alaikum again, dear Siddiqeen. I'm here with part 2 of video lesson number 6. Okay, as I have discussed with you earlier, the two activities, one was the 1 minute reading program, the other was the listening practice. Likewise, I've brought a very interesting free writing activity. The name of this activity is My Quarantine Journal. Basically, it is journal writing. If you know what diary writing is, journal writing would be very easy for you to understand. Let's start. So, what is a journal, you may ask? And then you may ask that why to write one? So, yes, I will be answering your questions. See, basically, what are journals? The other name for journals is periodicals. Now, if you write diary, you see, the ones who know what diary writing is, I hope all of you know that. Diary writing has to be very punctually done. I mean, every day I need to record my day. And whereas in journal, you can just be very creative. You can sometimes draw. You don't necessarily need to write. Sometimes you can write in bullets. Sometimes you can just post something on it. You can put some stickers. You can write paragraphs. You can write your memories. I mean, there are a lot of things. So you write basically the personal observations, your memories, your thoughts, and your goals in a journal. So it is different from a diary, right? I have explained it. Then it's basically a mode of emotional expression. A mode of emotional expression means that it is a way in which you can express your emotions, your feelings, your sentiments, and it basically becomes a very valuable possession over time. I mean, if you just prepare a journal today and you keep it safe, and after 10 years, 5 years, 4 years, when you look back at it, it becomes a very beautiful memory or a very beautiful possession for you. Just like your albums from childhood time, they mean a lot to you. So same is the case with such journals. So let's discuss journal writing. What are we gonna do? Our journal will be named as My Quarantine Journal. So your journal name is My Quarantine Journal. So in this quarantine journal, beta, you will be basically writing about, excuse me, let me just go back to the previous slide. I just skipped it. Yeah. So in this quarantine journal, you will be writing about two things, two types of entries you will be making. One will be named as Ramadan entries, the other will be named as the pandemic entries. Basically, what is quarantine? You know, we are staying indoors because there is a pandemic, there is a virus, there is a danger, a threat outside, that if we go outside carelessly, we'll be getting the virus, coronavirus, the COVID-19 virus. So we need to protect ourselves, so we have to stay in isolation, we have to stay indoors, which is called as quarantine, right? So in quarantine, we have Ramadan this time, and we are facing pandemic, coronavirus, right? So these two things are there, so we'll be making entries for both the things. So this is just a layout. I mean, if I were to make my quarantine journal, this would be the the title, not the title page, but the cover of it. So I just wanted you to see. Okay, so let's discuss my quarantine journal now. See, it has, as I've discussed with you earlier, it will have two types of entries, Ramadan entries and the pandemic entries. So what will we be writing? You will be writing basically your resolutions for Ramadan. I mean, that what do you resolve to do in this Ramadan? How is this Ramadan different from other Ramazans that you have spent? Some of you must be fasting for the first time. Some of you must be fasting for, for like maybe the third, fourth, fifth time. So it will be different for everyone. Then you will be discussing the effects of COVID-19, the pandemic, the coronavirus. What are the effects? All the positive and the negative. See, I told you it is a way of expressing your emotions. So how do you feel about it? You will express it. What are the effects that you are personally feeling and you see around yourself? You will be recording all of that. Then you will be, as I've discussed, the feelings in quarantine will be discussed, and you can also keep a track of your fasting. For instance, that in the first ashra I was maybe more inclined to sleeping and less inclined to constructive work, or maybe some vice versa, and then in the second ashra you try to mend your flaws and you become a better person who fasts in a better way. So this is how we will prepare it. So now you may question me that, will I be writing every day? That's an interesting question, because this is the biggest worry for you. So let me answer it for you. No. You will just have to write a couple of short writings in a week's time. In whole 1 week, you will only be writing 2 things. And even in those 2 things, let me explain by showing you this. What is it? Basically, we will be preparing this journal in 3 weeks. Today is going to be the start of week 1. Okay, and in this like every week I will be giving you 2 prompts or 2 questions or 2 ideas to write on. Okay, and even in these 2, the first one or one of them will be only having the answer of 4 to 5 sentences. Okay, and the second one will be a kind of a paragraph. So no long writings for you, right? So in total, in 3 weeks, you will be having 6 write-ups. 3 short, 3 having the answer of 3 to 4 or 5 lines, and the other with a standard paragraph of 10 to 12 sentences. So there are no long writings for you. So you can just write, you can draw, you can decorate, you can make bullet points, you can just stick on notes on it. So it's up to you how you try to make it. There is no hard and fast rule of making a journal. A journal doesn't have to be just the paragraphs or just the writings. No, you can even draw there, you can decorate it, you can write your answers in the form of bullets. Okay. So let's see what's next. So the next step for us is how to make a journal. I will help you in doing that as well. The first thing is how to prepare a journal. In preparing the journal, you have to keep a few things in your mind. I mean, there are, as I've told you earlier, no hard and fast rules. If you have the colored papers, get them at home. If you have the colored papers, you can use them. If you don't have the colored papers, use the simple plain lined pages that we have. If you don't have them, you can use the plain white papers. Okay, if you don't have them, even you can use any old or new diary that is that is not being used by anyone, or if you have a new diary or any diary at home, you can use it. And even if you have none of these things, you can go for your own Siddiqui loose sheets. Okay, so because there is no hard and fast rule, and because we are trying to go for free writing, fun writing, we are not going to be making it a hassle for any one of us. Okay, so this was how to make it. First thing is to arrange the papers. So in your My Quarantine Journal 2020, the next thing would be, do I have to decorate it? I wonder if anyone would not like to decorate it. Okay, with decoration, many people imagine of this thing, the image that I've just shared, with pens and ribbons and markers and colored sheets and blah blah blah. No, it's not necessary. You can have a simple decoration by using some colored markers or pencils and just making some borders of the plain pages. It will become beautiful, right? You can even put just sticker stars on the borders. It will kind of become very embellished and decorated. And you can even make some geometrical shapes, cut the triangles of the paper, color it with even the blue marker you have, and just paste it. It will be beautifully look very beautiful. And even if you don't want to do this is the picture that has just popped up, is the simplest one. Draw some images and kind of color them. Or this is I find it a bit fancy and more attractive, but then again, see, just the way I told you, if you have, like in the papers, it can go from the color to the plain to the Siddiqui loose sheets. Same is the case with the decoration. It can go from very fancy to very simple yet elegant look. Okay, so now we have made the journal. We know how to make it rather. So let's see for the entries. The entries for week 1. This is your week 1. You will be making 2 entries this week. Okay, so before you make the entries, the first step is to assemble the pages. Get the pages colored, plain, Siddiqui, loose sheets, dye, whatever it is, and prepare the title phase first. The title page is very important. How will you make the title page? For instance, this one. The first thing you have to write on the title page is that this journal belongs to dash, and you will write the date. Okay. And before that, when you will make the cover, you will write my quarantine journal. So this is your first title page. You can make it like this, or you can make it like this. Both are different ways, both are beautiful. Then you will write your mantra. Like, my mantra basically means that what is your attitude towards life, a quotation that defines your attitude towards life. For instance, if you ask me, I always tell people that my mantra is dreams mean work. If you want to achieve your dreams, you have to work for them. So some people have this mantra in their life, that gratitude is my attitude. Always have to be thankful. Being positive is my mantra. So anything you strongly believe in is your mantra. So you will write that down, and then you will make your first entry, week 1, entry number 1. But before that, beta, remember that you have to write your date or anything on the left hand side. And then this is your task for week 1, or maybe the entries for week 1. So the number 1 entry says, in this Ramadan I resolved to. Now you have to set your goals and resolutions. Again, here you can write in the form of sentences, you can write in the form of bullets, you can write in the form of drawings, you can write in the form of anything you feel like. But the second one will have to be in the form of a paragraph. Since when are you in quarantine? Who or what do you miss the most? Express your feelings in the form of a paragraph. I think it's very easy, relatable. You have been in this phase for a long time, and you can just write down your feelings. Now I would like to share some random ideas, not just for decoration, but also how to jot down your resolutions. For instance, look at this one. Here the person has just decorated the one side of the page with colors and writing Ramadan 2019. You will be writing Ramadan 2020, and then see the goals, how they are written, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the form, but in a different, unique manner. Then you have another one in which it's a to-do list of Ramadan. It can be in the form of these stick-on notes that you can paste, or it can be in this form. So again, in the same rule will follow. It can be very decorated, it can be very simple, it can be very fancy. Okay, so this is all about my quarantine journal. But before I go, beta, remember, do recite the first Ashra's dua. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum bi rahmatika astaghis, because we are in need of Allah's mercy. O living, O the eternal, I seek help through your mercy. Pray hard. These are, as Allah has already himself said, that every act of a person is for himself, but fasting is for me. That is why I will reward him. So this is the only act Allah has said that you have to do it for me. I will reward it. So please, if you're fasting, or if your family is fasting, obviously your family will be fasting, please take care of them. Fasting is not just about not taking food or water. It has to be an overall experience. You should not be angry, you should not be rude, you should not be using foul language, you should not be backbiting, and you should worship Allah more. You should pray harder, you should read more Quran, recite more Quran, read good books, improve yourself altogether. And then this is another one. Why I am sharing these? Because you can use these in your quarantine journal too. Fasting is shield. It will protect you from the hellfire and prevent you from sins. So both of these are ahadis. So you can use them, and I wish you all the luck. Take care. Pray hard. Allah Hafiz.